Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be
making these yummy coconut macaroons today. They're easy to make, they're yummy, they smell good. You can store them up to for like a week and they'll still be fine. And let's jump into it. We'll need this stuff. It's not that much. We'll need 3 eggs, coconut flakes, vanilla essence, sugar, and a pinch of salt. So guys, we're right now making egg whites to start. So so we gotta make the egg whites first. So first, crack your egg a little bit. Then open it very carefully, because you don't want it to drop. Like this. And then try to take out, just try to put the yolk on the side and try to take all the egg white. And do this with 3 eggs, all 3 eggs. And now let's go to the next part. I've also got to point out that we're not going to use the yolk. We've got to put it on the side. So let's put it on the side. So then now let's mix everything together. So we'll need this much vanilla essence, very less. Let's pour that in. Half a cup of sugar we'll need next. Pour that in. And a pinch of salt, very less. Like that much. So now we have to mix it a little bit, so let's do that. Mix it. So after we've mixed it until it kind of looks like this, then we put 2 cups of coconut and fold it nicely with this, and I'm just gonna keep on folding it. And then it will probably look like this after you folded it enough. So now let's cook it in the oven.
So guys, we will need to oil the pan before you can do the next step. So make sure you do that.
Small spoon, like I'm using this tablespoon right now. You can make it a little bit bigger if you want, but this is like the size of your cookies. And then you gotta flip it over, and then you keep on doing that until your pan is filled. So after they're cooked, they'll smell good. You will need to cool down for 5 minutes, but after that, it's gonna be pretty good. This is one up close. Looks pretty yummy to me. And yeah, that's what we made.
So guys, that will be it for today. See you guys next time. Bye.